astaxanthin's popularity has really grown as the scientific evidence for its benefits for human health has increased. That's been good, but we're also starting to see some inferior forms of natural astaxanthin come on the market. Natural algae astaxanthin is really the only recommended form. And algae, you'll notice that I emphasize that, is the form that you should really be taking. Unfortunately, there's synthetic astaxanthin on the market. We really can't recommend that because it has different isomers that are not found in nature. Synthetic astaxanthin is also unesterified, which means it's not as soluble in oil and may not be well absorbed by the body. Much more research is required before synthetic astaxanthin should be considered for human nutritional supplements. There's also astaxanthin from yeast and bacteria, but those have the same problem as synthetic astaxanthin. They have different molecular forms and they have not been well studied. So right now, natural algae astaxanthin is really the only choice. Within natural algae astaxanthin, not all natural algae astaxanthin is equivalent. Most of the lower cost astaxanthin that you see on the market is grown outdoors in open ponds or in a system of tubes. Now, growing outdoors is definitely cheaper, but the quality is quite inconsistent when you're growing outdoors. The weather changes from month to month, and you're going to get different quality astaxanthin when you're producing in an outdoor environment. Only AstaReal is producing astaxanthin in a completely indoor system on a large scale. We control the temperature, we control the amount of light, we control all of the growth parameters of the algae, and that means every batch of AstaReal algae astaxanthin was grown under exactly the same conditions. That allows us to offer the highest quality and the highest purity astaxanthin on the market.